Hello everyone. In this session, we will talk about division of fraction. For division of fractions, we will first understand a concept called reciprocal. A reciprocal is defined as the non-zero numbers whose product with each other is 1. So, if there are two non-zero numbers whose product with each other is 1, they are called reciprocal. For example, if I want 4, I want to multiply 4 with some number so that I get answer as 1. And then these two numbers are called reciprocal of each other. So let's look at this. If I have this cake and I divide it into two pieces. Now what is the size of this one piece? Obviously we know it is 1 upon 2 because we have made two pieces and we have taken 1. So 1 upon 2. Now when we have 1 upon 2, how many 1 upon 2 size pieces we have in this board? How many of them we have? We have two such pieces, 1 and 2. So we have two such pieces of size 1 upon 2. Same way, if I take another same shape and divide it into, let's say, three equal pieces, and I have taken out one of the size of 1 is 1 upon 3, and how many such pieces I have? I have 3. And when I multiply them, I should get the one whole which I have divided. So I multiply them, I should get one whole. Now it can be seen that multiplication of two numbers is equal to 1. Here also multiplication of these two numbers is equal to 1. So these two numbers are reciprocal of each other. How do we find the reciprocal? Here 4, I will have to have the reciprocal as 1 upon 4. 4 into 1 upon 4. So what I am actually doing is 4 can also be represented as 4 upon 1, isn't it? So we know that the whole number is also represented as the whole number upon 1. Now, if we interchange the positions of numerator and denominator, we interchange them. What do we get? We get 1 upon 4. And if we multiply 1 upon 4 with 4 upon 1, what we get is 1 into 4 upon 4 into 1. Common factors, 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4. So it will come 1 upon 1, which is equal to 1. So I get answer 1. So to find a reciprocal, what we are supposed to do is interchange positions of numerator and denominator. Once we interchange the positions of numerator and denominator, we get reciprocal. For example, if I have 5 upon 2, I want to find the reciprocal of it. Reciprocal of this would be we have to interchange the position so that so 2 in goes up, 5 comes down. Then we get a reciprocal. Why is reciprocal so important in division is because division is multiplication of the reciprocal of divisor. I'll explain it. So let's say I want to divide 3 upon 5 divided by 2 upon, let's say, 7. Now when we want to do this division, the steps are: step 1, keep the dividend. Dividend is which comes before the divided by sign, that is dividend. Keep the dividend as it is. So dividend comes down as it is, no changes. Then what we do is we change the division sign using multiplication sign. We change the division sign using multiplication sign. And the last step is we change the divisor by its reciprocal. So what is the reciprocal of 2 upon 7? We have to interchange the position. So it will be 7 upon 2. And then we know how to do multiplication. For doing multiplication, we multiply the numerators and we multiply the denominators. So that will be equal to 7 3s are 21 upon 5 2s are 10. When we convert it into a mixed fraction, it would be 2 1 upon 10. Let's take one more example. 4 upon 9 divided by 6 upon 7. So what we are going to do, first step, take this down as it is. So it comes 4 upon 9. So dividend comes down as it is. Then we change the multiplication, the division sign into multiplication sign. And finally, we make the reciprocal of our divisor. Now, what is the reciprocal of 6 upon 7? 7 goes up and 6 comes down. 7 upon 6. Once we do this step, then it is easy. Then what we do is 4 into 7 upon 9 into 6. I can see a common factor between 4 and 6. So 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. That gives me 2 into 7 upon 9 into 3, which is 7 2s are 14, 9 3s are 27. So my answer is 14 upon 27. Should we take one more? Yes, let's do one more. For this time, what we are going to take? We are going to take a mixed fraction. So 3 upon 4 divided by 1, 2 upon 3. Okay, so what is our first step? Now, here the first step is going to be convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. So this is equal to 3 upon 4 divided by 3 multiplied by 1, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 upon 3. Now we'll solve, take our usual steps, which is we will take this down, we are going to take this down, and we are going to do something on for this also. What we are going to do, let's talk about each thing. So that is equal to the dividend comes down as it is, no changes. The division sign changes into multiplication sign, and the divisor, we get reciprocal of the divisor. For getting reciprocal, the denominator goes up, the numerator comes down. 3 upon 5. So that is equal to 3 into 3 upon 4 into 5. Now there are no commons between numerator and denominator. So we do direct multiplication. 3 into 3 is 9. 4 5s are 20. So our answer is 9 upon 20. So division of fractions is one of the easiest topics in fractions. What we do, we add one step, which is we change the division sign to multiplication sign, and we take the reciprocal of divisor. Now it is very important that we only take reciprocal of divisor. The dividend should remain same. It should not change.
For a complete understanding of fractions and decimals, do watch our other videos on this topic. We'll come back with another video in short time. Till then, goodbye.